Hi there. Yeah, today we are going to show you how I do my design, and I'm looking for models to help me so that I can complete maybe at least 10 skirts, with original design. Okay, this is how I start. The thing is that I do sketches. As you can see, this is my sketchbook. So I will do sketches of things that I think of, and then from there I create what you call a piece of construction drawing. So anyway, I just show you some of the sketches first. These are the sketches. Start focusing. Yep. See, these are the sketches. So yep. So from here, like for example, this is one of the skirt I've done. We say this is skirt number 1, right? So as you can see, this is where the mini skirt is. So I got this one of my very first miniskirt design. Okay, so with this, after I have the sketches, so I know how it's going to look like, but then I need what you call a construction drawing. So here is where we're going to have the first construction drawing. Yep, this is my first construction drawing. Yeah, okay. So now with that, why we call it a construction drawing? See, you have an idea, but finally you have to cut it into a piece of cloth, right? Like this, like a piece of cloth, So in order to cut this piece of cloth, you need to cut a pattern, So that's what we call a pattern. And first we need to make a master plan. That means how do we convert from sketch into something that you can put on the fabric and then cut it out, right? Okay, so now this is my so-called first design. Yep. Okay, let me show you. Voila! Can you see this? Wow! Yo, you can also zoom up to see the whole thing if you want. Right? Okay, it's a very big piece. So it's a what you call a 1:1, 1:1 drawing. Okay. So can we focus on the drawing now? And here, right? Here is what happened here is that okay, now this is what happened. So first we need to know the hip line of the person, the waistline of the person. So from there we convert to this, and finally after we have converted this and we do some testing, some postulation, and then finally we will put a piece of what we call tracing paper on it. Like this is the tracing paper you put on top of it, and then you trace over it. Yeah, and that's what happened. You trace over it exactly as it is. You trace over it. Let me see how this is being organized. Okay, this is this way. So we trace over it, and then we cut the shape, and then finally we take this piece of drawing, we put on top of the cloth. Yeah, we put on top of here. We pin it with pins, and we cut it. So after we cut it, then we can sew it. Okay, after sewing it, you will get a piece of skirt, and then we can put it up on the model and test it again. Right? After it's being tested on the model, we could then test it on the real person, the real model, so-called the real model, and then we make further adjustment if needed be, and then that's how we complete the skirt. So I'm looking for model to be the real person to model my skirts. So if you are interested, do call me, PM me, and you can see the email right below. Yep, okay. Do call me for that. Okay, bye bye.